With the new addition of access periods, the school year comes a new opportunity for Student Autonomy Days. On Student Autonomy Days, grades 9 through 12 have the opportunity to go anywhere in South during their access period on certain days. Senior Hannah Logan gives her opinion about the Student Autonomy Days.
My favorite thing about Student Autonomy Days is hanging out with friends that I don't have any classes with. Last time I hung out with my friends, we were talking about Harry Styles a lot, and it was great. I definitely think this is a good change because it's like good for all the seniors to like meet up again, especially for like the friends who don't have classes together, and we don't have to worry about like the juniors, the sophomores, and the freshmen kind of like crowding and getting in the way. This is just a nice little break for the seniors. I usually use Autonomy Days for schoolwork and to hang out with friends, and for the most part I usually go to the Learning Commons, but last time we went to the study lawn.
Student Autonomy Days last 30 minutes. Senior Zach Mungerson shares his opinion about the new Student Autonomy Days.
My least favorite thing about Student Autonomy Days is that they're kind of inconsistent compared to like with the lessons. There's no like set schedule for them, I guess. I honestly would have preferred the late starts from my freshman through junior year rather than the autonomy days of senior year. I generally spend my Student Autonomy Days in the common room where I work on homework and the like.
In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, Madeleine Kelly.